Morning, my name is Paresh Kumar Shetty. I am the General Manager from Suguna Poultry Farm Limited, a Coimbatore-based company. I head the consumer product division of Suguna Poultry, and we are participating in this poultry exhibition in Hyderabad. This is the third year, and this year has been very successful with a lot of visitors visiting us. A wide range of farmers all around the world and India have visited us. And basically from Suguna Poultry, to say, we are a Tamil Nadu based company from Coimbatore. We started in the year 1984. Today is the 25th, this year is the 25th year of the business for us, and we have grown to the biggest level in Indian poultry, and we are the poultry leader in the broiler industry. Today we place around 77 million chicks per week, and we are the 8th biggest in the world in the broiler industry. And we have the layer business, we have the feed business, and we are into the consumer product divisions. And in Hyderabad, in Andhra, we are well established in the poultry business with the placement of nearly 14 lakhs per week. And we are in the consumer product business with the processed chicken with the factory based in Coimbatore, and we are having branded eggs and the retail super shop called Suguna Daily Fresh, and we export hatching eggs, and we are into the value added food business. Overall, the Suguna turnover is around 3,800 crores this year, and we are having nearly 36% market share in the broiler industry, and we are having 9% market share in the layer industry, and we are growing at the rate of 20% every year. And saying about the consumer products, we are the first to brand eggs in India. We have brought in the processed chicken with the value added products, a lot of cuts, portions and whole chicken. We export chicken to many countries around the world. We are the leaders in poultry exports in India, and we are establishing our consumer product business in south, west and north, and we are shortly going to be established in east also. And we are having around 172 distributors all around India, and we are listed in most of the modern retail shops, and our products is available in these shops. Basically, Suguna is a farmer driven company where we have the integration model where we have 5,000 channel partners with us as farmers, and we are having presence in 11 states around India, and we have put up Asia's biggest feed mill in Hoskote in Bangalore, which is used for indigenous use. Suguna is a rural based industry. We are providing employment to rural based industry where most of the farmers are getting employment through integration, and this has been a very successful model in India from the last 15 years, and many companies are adopting these schemes. So we are a very transparent company with the 5,000 employees with us, and our Managing Director Mr. Soundararajan and Joint Managing Director Mr. G.V. Sundarajan give a leadership guidance to our team, and which we are growing at a rate of 20 to 25% per year. Thank you.